Hi everyone, I'm Farah and welcome to Digitella. Today we're going to go through one of the best ways to show your enthusiasm for technology apprenticeships and jobs. So let's get started. First things first, it all starts with your CV. Make sure that your CV is good with up-to-date experience and education. Also, using action words when describing the responsibilities you had in each experience you encountered is a really great way to highlight your skills and abilities. Also, try to quantify your achievements, like increase the company's sales by 45% than last month. As you apply to many jobs and apprenticeships, you can use the same structure of your CV and edit some details to match the job description of the vacancy you're applying to, which would save you a lot of time. Then comes the cover letter. I think this one is the most dreadful part of every job or apprenticeship application because you have to research the company and try to relate it to your interests and how you're a good match for the role in the company you're applying to. I like to stick to a template that I created for my first application, then edit the parts that need editing every time I apply for a new job. But the structure would always be the same, which would save a lot of time and kind of decrease your demotivation when creating a cover letter. Now that we're done with CVs and cover letters, now comes the part where you want to know your strengths and weaknesses. And I say this because you can't escape such interview questions like, what are your strengths and weaknesses? So it is a good idea to reflect on your abilities and skills and see which one of your two skills stands out and which of your two skills make you feel insecure or not confident. And this can apply to any job you apply to. Being aware of your strengths and weaknesses makes you appear as a self-aware individual who is willing to improve their weaknesses. Next, we have upskilling, and I think that is a really important part of your application because it shows you're up to date with the new technologies by taking courses on platforms like Coursera or Cisco Academy. Try mentioning the name of the courses in your cover letter to show that you're interested in the field of technology that you're applying to. So let's say you're applying to a cybersecurity role. Mentioning that you take some courses on Hack the Box Academy is a really good way to show that you took the initiative to improve your skills, which can set you apart from other candidates applying to the same role as you. Lastly, which is really pretty obvious, but being up to date with the latest news in the technology world and especially in the field that you're applying to. Listening to podcasts or subscribing to weekly tech newsletters like TLDR can show that you're genuinely interested in technology and can massively help you when reaching the interview stages where you can be asked about what you think of that trending technology and if it is an opportunity or not for the business to grow if the technology was implemented. That's it for today. I hope you enjoyed this video and gained some tips on acing your tech job and apprenticeship applications. I've created a Notion template guide that will help you track your applications, including CVs and cover letters, so you can focus on making your application and improving your tech and interview skills. So please make sure to check it out as it includes everything we discussed today. And also make sure to like this video and please comment down below on what tech topics would you like me to focus on in the future. Good luck with your tech applications and I will see you in the next video. Bye.